When I arrived, the welcome was great. The arrangements have been perfect.
Yeah, it was really pleasant and it was well managed, I would say. I am attending this conference for the first time and I'm really excited to attend it. Definitely because of so many regulatory changes in tax and things happening on the regulatory side, I really look forward to updates and to know what is the industry practices, meet different people, their know-hows, and that's exactly that I look forward to.
The expectation is that we get insights into the international taxation and then some taxation changes coming into India as a country, policy changes.
This is very good place for networking, for understanding, learning, etc.
A lot of the other networking is good here because I'm meeting a lot of Deloitte partners and different avenues of finance, financial services, and meeting a lot of CFOs of other companies. So it's overall been a good session.
Finally, welcome and have a great conference. I'll be there alongside you.
Highly likely to include international tax reform, pretty likely to include corporate tax reform.
It is indeed the company that has capital and risk at stake and therefore the financial capacity to be able to bear the risk of default in these situations.
So many eminent speakers has come from industry as well as from tax authorities and other tax experts also. And it is updating day-to-day knowledge.
First is a perception that MNCs are not paying their fair share of taxes.
So are we saying the multinationals, you become national, don't be multi?
Panel discussions was, I think it's very useful.
We also are going to have one of the largest tax reforms since independence, that is GST. Focus on some of the practical aspects of these issues.
Day one, it was a valuable session with good speakers and a lot of insights regarding tax and transfer pricing. Let's hope that the tomorrow session would have more on related to GST.
There was some currency which was lying in the ATM and some currency which was lying in the branches. So that amount of money had already come back into the system.
Look at what it is that we're creating together.
On day 2 on GST was very informative. It was good of Deloitte to bring in Mr. Vivek Jory, who has got such a huge experience for such a long time on the subject of policy making in indirect tax field. And since he is involved in the functioning and activities of GST Council, so it was very good to hear information first-hand on the stage of development of the GST law.
Javeri was excellent in his presentation from the government's point of view. He was really brilliant. And then the panel discussion, I think that was also quite insightful.
But the reality is that unless you win something really big, you don't get the kind of coverage or the importance.
Pullela is a national hero for us, and it was good to hear him firsthand and share his experiences.
Very humble as a person. This is the first time kind of seen him on stage delivering something like this.
How we concentrate on our goals, how we will achieve them. And there are a lot of motivational things he has given us, like to win, you have to work harder.
Hard work and recognition actually need to go hand in hand, or it doesn't go hand in hand. So that's the reality of it.
Looking forward to what's in store for us today. We'll see how it goes.
Generally, it's the kids who play and then you tend to sort of step back. But here is an opportunity where we could actually take the time off and really play. So it was good. So far I have played, I think most of it. Pool, football, I think this hockey game, I tried archery. I enjoyed the archery as well as the hockey.
So it's very interesting to see the Indian culture and all the color and the friendly people. So very good to get to know each other a little bit better and to see how you people celebrate such nice events together.
And with all the local themes, which is an experience for many of us who are coming from outside, on top of all the good kind of talks and the seminar and the interaction that we have had, evening this theme dinner is absolutely fantastic. We're enjoying. Extremely nice. I think it brings the whole experience of being in Rajasthan alive. And after a whole day of conference, this is a very, very welcome break.
Fantastic. I would say, that's the word. There are no words. For me, it's first time to Jaipur and enjoying this, the Rajasthan, the cultural event.
The music and the Bollywood style is very famous in Germany as well. So there's a big fan base and it's nice to see it in the original place. So what I see, or the takeaway from the conference, is that all the tax problems are more global problems now. So it's not anymore silo thinking as we had it in the past 10 years ago or so. So it's developing our problems becoming more and more the same. So we're all talking about the same stuff in Europe, in India. And that was very interesting to see such a development and what people drives here in India as well. So that was very good.
I'm not from a tax background, so it was all very important for me to understand the implications on my business. I was very happy to be here because the structure is very simple yet effective. What I liked most was insightful panel discussion.
Yeah, I'm feeling very honored and this is a great opportunity for us.
So overall, I think it's a good thing Deloitte is doing. It makes us more bonded with them more closely. I think so, yeah.